Hi guys, good afternoon. I came here at Thammasat University train station, a mini train station. So it is not actually a train station. I think it's kind of like train stop, a very small one. So I came here to do train sighting because there's an overhead bridge. I'll stay there and then I'll try to see different kind of trains. Usually these are all age trains that come here. So let's see what kind of trains passes through this railway track. Yeah, now I'm moving ahead. So this cute little house is kind of a stopover where you can stop here and wait for the train. As you can see, there's a railway track right in front of this one. Here's my bike. So I came here on this bike in this scorching sun. Really hot right now. The temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So let's walk ahead and see what kind of train passes by through this railway track. This is really beautiful railway track actually. Usually towards evening when there's sunset. Right now sun is up high, as you can see. So I've been here last year, and last year it was like dump yard over here. It's all clean now and looks a little bit neat, tidy and clean today compared to last year. Last year it was fully polluted and there's a lot of waste in here. So this is the railway track. So we have 3 railway tracks over here, and I'm going to wait on that overhead bridge and do the train spotting. Shall we do that, guys? Yeah, we shall. Let's see. You can see a very beautiful railway track over here. It doesn't look that new, but still then you can see that it is so good to be here and look at these things. Very green, the surrounding. Maybe someday I should take some train from here to Bangkok. There's no sign of train right now, so I'll stop here and wait for the train to come so that I'll record it when it starts flying over this railway track. Okay guys, see you. So we have 3 railway tracks, one over here, another in the middle and another over there. And over there where you can see the blue house, next to it is bus station of Thammasat University, so you can take bus from here to Bangkok as well. So this one is the mini waiting house where you can wait for the train, I think. So this is the place where I've entered earlier. So from here it goes up north and it comes from the south, from Bangkok. So this side is Bangkok and this side is north. So here is the overhead bridge that I'm standing on right now. So that is Thammasat University, and here we have some kind of private areas, and also we have a small village over here. I'm not sure what this place is called, but it looks like this is very peaceful, isolated village in Bhutanese area. So very small houses, very green area, and it looks like it is very peaceful village over here. Sun is still up high and it's burning me right now. Luckily I have this little tree over here which gives me enough shade to cover myself from the heat of the sun. The sun is showing no mercy to me right now. Guys, finally one train is coming after waiting for around 1 hour. So let's see that train, guys. So yeah, it's coming from over there, from the middle track. Yeah guys, there is the train. Here you go. Yeah, this is the one, guys. So first train, so I think there are some more trains coming, so let's see. Yeah guys, second train seems to be coming again, so let's see. I think I should have brought tripod with me. It's hard to shoot from here, so let's see. I think it's coming from the middle lane again, so let's see guys. Yeah, it's coming from over there, right over there, so let's see what kind of train is this. Earlier one was so old one. This one also looks same like the earlier one. Yeah guys, second train left now, so let's wait for more. The bridge over here is shaking, and the bridge over here is shaking like it's going to fall down, so I was a little scared. Yeah, it's vanishing into thin air over there, far away, still going over there. Surprisingly, the train over here are kind of old. Last time when I came here it was a little colorful and it did not look that old, but today the train that left from here, the two trains that left from here, both of them looked so old for me. Let's see, there's train coming up from Bangkok. Maybe that one is a little better than the one that went down to Bangkok right now, so let's see guys. Guys, now I came down, no longer on the bridge because the bridge is shaking when the train comes. So there's one more train coming, so let's see what kind of train that is, if it is old like the other two that we have seen earlier. Yeah, I've been standing over that bridge earlier when we were spotting the two trains. I'm not sure what's happening. It's taking too much time to come from there. I can already see the lights blinking on that far side. Okay, not coming with. Let's see. Finally, it seemed to be coming. Let's see guys. Yeah. Much better this one. I'm going to stop here. So there's another one coming from the far side.
Yeah, that's not the thing I'm talking about.
Huh?
Yeah, that's not the thing I'm talking about.
Oh. Yes, another one guys. Beautiful one, this one. Much shorter.